Welcome back. Today we are looking at the YUNZII C98 wireless mechanical keyboard with mechanical keyboard wireless hot-swappable review. Mechanical keyboard wireless hot-swappable devices have become one of the most exciting upgrades for gamers, office professionals, and typing enthusiasts in 2026, and the YUNZII C98 wireless mechanical keyboard is a standout in this category. Combining a 99-key full layout design, gasket-mounted structure, tri-mode connectivity, and aesthetic cute cake styling, this keyboard is designed to deliver both performance and personality in one premium package. Check the video description for the updated price link. The YUNZII C98 is not just another mechanical keyboard, it is a thoughtfully engineered typing tool that blends customization, comfort, and modern wireless technology. Whether you are a content creator, programmer, student, or gamer, this keyboard aims to improve your workflow with smooth tactile feedback, hot-swappable switches, and a visually pleasing design that fits perfectly into modern desk setups. The YUNZII C98 comes packed with premium features that make it highly competitive in the wireless mechanical keyboard market. It supports Bluetooth 5.0, 2.4 GHz wireless, and USB-C wired mode, giving users maximum flexibility for different devices and use cases. The 99-key layout includes a full number pad, making it ideal for productivity tasks like accounting, data entry, and office work, while still maintaining a compact footprint compared to traditional full-size keyboards. The keyboard features a beautiful beige candy cake aesthetic that stands out in any workspace. The PBT MOA keycaps are durable, oil-resistant, and designed for long-term use without fading legends. The gasket mount structure adds a soft, cushioned feel that reduces typing fatigue during long sessions. The build quality feels solid and premium, with minimal flex and a well-balanced weight that keeps the keyboard stable on the desk even during intense typing or gaming sessions. One of the strongest advantages of this keyboard is its tri-mode connectivity. You can easily switch between Bluetooth devices, a 2.4 GHz wireless dongle, or a wired USB-C connection depending on your needs. This makes it perfect for multitasking users who switch between laptops, tablets, and desktops. The connection remains stable and responsive, ensuring a lag-free typing and gaming experience across all modes. A hot-swappable feature allows users to replace switches without soldering. This means you can easily customize your typing experience by switching between linear, tactile, or clicky switches based on preference. This flexibility is perfect for enthusiasts who love experimenting with different switch types or upgrading their keyboard over time without replacing the entire unit. The gasket-mounted structure significantly improves typing comfort by adding a soft, cushioned feel to every keystroke. This reduces noise and creates a more pleasant acoustic profile, making it ideal for shared workspaces and late-night typing sessions. Each key press feels smooth and controlled, giving users a premium typing experience that rivals high-end custom keyboards. The RGB lighting system offers multiple effects and brightness levels, allowing users to personalize their setup according to mood or environment. The soft glow enhances the cute cake aesthetic and creates a visually immersive experience during nighttime use. Users can customize lighting patterns to match gaming setups, productivity themes, or simple minimalistic styles. In daily use, the YUNZII C98 performs exceptionally well across different scenarios. Typing feels smooth, stable, and consistent, while the wireless connection remains reliable even in busy environments with multiple devices. Gamers will appreciate the low latency in 2.4 GHz mode, while office users will benefit from the ergonomic typing experience and full number pad functionality. The battery life is also impressive, supporting long hours of use without frequent charging. Check the link in the description to get yours today.